Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special day. Well, yesterday was a very special day because I hit 100 subscribers. Yes, I'm so excited. I'm just so grateful. I know that's not a lot, but we're getting there. Like, we've came from 10, 15 subscribers to a whole 100. That means 100 or something of y'all want to watch me, and that's great. So I'm excited. But today we're doing just a simple natural / no flashback makeup tutorial. So if you're interested in getting this look, natural glam glow, yes just keep watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get more. Like, we had 100, let's get to 500, let's get to 100,000. Like, I know that's pushing it, but we almost there, believe it or not. We closer than we were before. So okay, yeah, let's just get into the tutorial. Alright guys, my eyebrows are already done, and you already know I use my Anastasia gel and my Anastasia Dip Brow. So I'm going to go ahead and start priming. The main thing to always do is to prime. Priming your face will make your makeup not only last longer, but it will remove your pores, and it just make you look even more flawless. Like, I feel like priming isn't as respected as it should be. Like, yeah. So next, I'm using my Fit Me Maybelline Fit Me foundation. As y'all can tell already, I love this foundation. Best foundation ever. I think it's the best for beginners and just people who just want a foundation that's cheap and bomb. So yeah, I'm just gonna put little dots on my finger, and I'm gonna use my little silicone little blender, I guess you could say. This is my favorite thing to use because not only does it like help me get my, set my foundation into my skin, but it doesn't move my foundation, like wipe it off or anything. So I think it's just a really good investment, and yeah, just like, it just helps, like, your foundation won't be wasted. So next, I'm just taking my stippling brush from Sephora. You already know this is my favorite brush for my foundation, and it just helps me set it all into my skin. Like I said before, it doesn't take any product away. A lot of people don't like using a brush for their foundation, but I don't see anything wrong with it if you have the right brush. So yes. Next, I'm taking a clean damp beauty blender from Real Techniques. Make sure your beauty blender is damp. Next, I'm taking my Shape and Tape concealer in Deep. And you guys, the main thing to avoid flashbacks is getting a concealer that is not too light. People don't understand, like, when they get a concealer, they think you're supposed to have like 30 shades lighter. No, you're just supposed to highlight, babe, not just completely blind yourself and others, okay? So next, now I'm just blending it with my damp beauty blender again. Always use a clean beauty blender when you're blending your face. Like, always have a clean beauty blender. Always. And always make sure it's damp. I can't stress that enough. Like, always. So yeah, I'm just tapping that all into my skin. Literally just tapping it. Next, I'm taking my buffing brush. This is what I like to do to avoid flashback also. I just tap it where I put my concealer just to set it some more. And next, I'm taking my Airspun powder and my powder brush, and I'm just going to tap that a little bit and set my concealer. The main reason girls have flashback is because they're baking, and nothing's wrong with baking, girl. Like, if you feel as if you have to bake to avoid creases, do it. But just know that when you bake, you have a higher chance of having flashbacks. So I just like to set my makeup with a highlighting brush. And next, I'm just contouring with my Black Radiance contour palette. This is my favorite palette. Everything I'm using, you guys, is not expensive except for that concealer, but you could just use a dupe as, LA Pro girls. But yeah, I'm just putting it on my forehead. my contour on my forehead, using my buffing brush again just to wipe away any excess powder to avoid flashback. And next, I'm just contouring my nose. This is my favorite thing to do. Like, I just love snatching my nose. There's nothing wrong with my nose, but I'm doing my makeup, so I'm gonna do how I want to do. People always quick to be like, oh, why are you doing that to your nose? Oh, it's makeup. I do what I want to do. So yeah, Next, get you some Fix Plus spray. Get you some. It's at MAC. It's a little on the, expensive side. They have doobies, but get you some. Next, I take my Real Techniques, what is it? Beauty blender, and just tap that into my skin. Lastly, I like to get my highlighter and just, glow a little bit. This is my glow kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and you already know I'm using my fave bronze. And I just put that on my nose, my cupid's bow, my eyebrows, and my cheekbones. So yes, girl. Next, I'm brushing my lashes, of course, because I love my lash extensions and I don't want my lash tech to get on me for not brushing them. And lastly, I'm lining my lips up with NYX dark brown lip liner. I think it has a name. I think it's like chocolate or something. I don't know. I'll put it in the description box. So yeah. And next, I'm just going to put my gloss on. I believe this gloss is called Madelline. It's by NYX also. It's their butter gloss. Best gloss ever. Tastes good and it smells good. So everybody should get it. They have every color you could think of. And yeah, you guys, that's really it. This is my simple, no flashback makeup tutorial. Like, you could get all into the light and girl, you would not look ashy. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for my next video. Love you guys. Bye.